Hey everyone and welcome. Ever felt like your WooCommerce store was playing hide and seek with potential sales? Like you're only showing one path to buy your awesome products? Well, get ready to unlock a whole new dimension of retail power. My name is Mike and welcome to Sleekr Digital. In this video series, we're diving deep into the WooCommerce Product Retailers plugin, your secret weapon for supercharging your sales by connecting your products with a network of external retailers and distributors. Think of it. Maybe your customers want a faster delivery option, a specialized payment method, or simply prefer buying from a retailer they already trust. This plugin removes those barriers to purchase. We're talking happy customers, fewer abandoned carts, and more dollar bills. With WooCommerce Product Retailers, you can link your products to multiple retailers, giving your customers choices. Let customers buy directly from you or from trusted partners. Customize those handy purchase from retailer buttons so they fit your brand perfectly. Show retailer links all over your site, product pages, catalogs, even widgets. The possibilities are as endless as your product ideas. Over the next 5 videos, we'll cover everything from setting up retailers and configuring plugin settings to using widgets and shortcodes to display those retailers. I'll also share my favorite best practices for using external retailers effectively. Ready to turn your WooCommerce store into a retail powerhouse? Let's get started. Watch the next video to find out how to set up retailers and configure the plugin settings. See you in the next video.